Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. If you don't know how to spot downtrend, how you can make a trading strategy with downtrend, in this video let's clear this all steps. First of all, downtrend will try to create lower lows. First low has been created here, second low has been created here. While you get two lower lows, you can spot one trend, you can spot one box like this to understand what actually trend is trying to make. Once the second lower low has been created, wait for the support breakdown. Capture one support level like this. If support level is breaking down, it means lower low is going to continue. Lower lows will help us to take trade. Lower lows will help us to avoid trading in spot trading. Lower lows will help you to take trade in leverage trading, sell short trade. In this case, if you are trading spot, you will not continue any trade after hitting the stop loss. That's why spot first lower lows. Once the lower lows has been spotted, you can wait for the trend continuation. Again happened the same here. Once the price has been made one high, after that it has created one box. Once the box has been broken down, price is frequently gone down. Here you can check the first low, second low, two lows has been created and trend gone down. You have to notice each and every trend's action, then only you can find out the lower lows, then you can find out the trade, then you will find out the reason why cryptos are dumping, why cryptos are pumping. Another campaign is live, guys, for the Indians. This is a KYC campaign. You have to sign up with my link. Complete KYC 2 before 14th April. 20 Indian signups will get 400 each. $5 each only for new signups. Distributions will be made before 20 April. More information, more updates will receive on this Telegram channel. You can join this Telegram channel for the more crypto related updates. Once you sign up on BITMART, you will receive your $3,000 welcome bonus. Just click on this option. Once you click on this option, you will see welcome rewards. You have to proceed some tasks like buy crypto with fiat 100 USDT, futures trading 100 USDT, fixed saving 100 USDT, and then you can eligible for these rewards. On BITMART, you will not make money just by trading. You will make money with trading as well as joining these types of reward system. Also, you can make money with P2P trading. If you are doing P2P trading on BITMART, you will get rewarded. Terms and conditions are given here. Here we go. Trade P2P to earn Bong token. Just click on this banner. You will see what are the terms and conditions behind this earning Bong token. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. If you have INR, you can simply convert to the USDT. If you have USDT and if you want INR, simply go on the sell option and you have to follow some rules. You have to follow some steps. You are going to have a successful trade of INR USDT or USDT INR. Both options are available on the BITMART. For each and every task, BITMART will try to give you rewards. That's why if you have not signed up on BITMART, you can do right away. Link is provided in the video's description. I hope you guys are understood the basics insights of lower lows. Lower lows have too much important facts which is going to have a price decrement, so you have to keep in mind if lower lows are generating, then you can go with the trend. You can sell your coins if lower lows has been spotted. Guess the trend with proper conditions, then only you can make good risk reward. If trend is making like this, instant down, trend will try to wake up instant up. We will clear these points in next video. If any trend is coming instantly down, we can see instant move up, but there are some conditions. Which conditions are there, we will discuss in next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. You have learned something from this video. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video.